In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Big Cartel store using the Shop Designer. If you're looking to enhance your online shop with a new page for additional content like a blog, an FAQ section, or any other information you wish to share with your shoppers, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure it's as easy and smooth as possible. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Big Cartel account. From your store's dashboard, look at the top area of your screen where you'll see the Account option. Go ahead and click on Account. This is your go-to place for making adjustments to the overall design and settings of your shop. Once you're in the Account section, take a look around and scroll down. You're on the lookout for the part labeled Shop Design. Here, you'll find a button that says Go to Shop Designer. This is a key feature that allows you to customize your store's appearance and content easily. Click on that, and it will take you to a new interface where the magic happens. Now, you're in the Shop Designer area. On the top left of your screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Pages. This is where you manage all pages associated with your store. Click on Pages, and you will see a new option appear that allows you to add a new page. Click on the Add a New Page option, and you'll be prompted to create a unique name for your page. Be thoughtful about this. The page name should be descriptive enough so visitors immediately understand what the page is about. It could be something as straightforward as About Us, or perhaps Store Policies, depending on your needs. Once you've named your page, you have the option to add a description. While this is optional, it's a great opportunity to provide more information or context about the page content to your visitors. Consider what might be most helpful to your audience. Adding a brief, meaningful description could make the difference in how customers interact with your newly created content. After you've entered the name and optional description, you'll notice a Done button at the top of the page. This is your cue to wrap things up. Click Done, and just like that, you've successfully added a new page to your online store. And that's it! You now have a new page live and ready for your visitors to explore. Remember, you can always come back and edit this page or add more as your store continues to grow and evolve. This flexibility is one of the many benefits of using Big Cartel for your online business. Thanks for watching, happy selling, and see you in the next video.